down. I think we put the tarp on, man. I just want to dancing son.
Come on, Ed.
Oh,
I don't know about the still like sessions. Like Tor is always posting videos.
everyone.
Oh really? That's good, man.
Except Joel.
Well, not everyone then, right? But I mean,
except Joel.
like Marby still dances? Really?
Everyone.
Tom, when we saw Tom at MTA, he said that was the first time he's dancing.
Take that back.
Yeah.
Tom's
But Tom still looks solid at MTA. He still look good.
same shit, bro.
Well, but I mean, like, he didn't look sloppy. You know what I mean? Like, he didn't look
He's also Tom,
Yeah.
right? He's not ever gonna be sloppy.
Meat is served.
Are you doing vegan for health or animal rights?
Not for health.
Animal rights, really? So what about, like, raising your own chicken? Can you do that?
As a pet, yeah.
No, I mean, like, for eggs or meat. No?
Basically, like, would you be cool if, like, an animal, a superior animal, went up to Trish and be like, yo, every time you have a period blood, drain that shit so I can drink it.